The Ajax 811RK Heavy Duty Rescue Kit, portable and lightweight. The Ajax 811RK Heavy Duty Rescue Kit features an industrial-grade air hammer that delivers 2,800 blows per minute with a precision valve. Includes the Ajax Quick Change Safety Retainer that keeps the chisel securely locked in place for turn and non-turn shanks. All Ajax chisel bits are manufactured from high-quality American-made alloy steel. Included in each 811RK kit are 14 chisels with both turn and non-turn type shanks, 8 quick cutter chisels, 9-inch and 18-inch lengths, 4 panel cutters, 1 sheet metal ripper chisel, and 1 moil point. Includes a high-pressure air regulator, a 15-foot heavy-duty double-braided hose with couplers, all stored in a 20-inch steel kit box. And the Ajax 811RKM Heavy Duty Rescue Kit includes everything in the 811RK, but with the addition of a 1/2-inch impact wrench and socket set. The 811RK Series Rescue Kits. American-made tools produced by Ajax Rescue Tools. An extra hand in extrication.